And turning our attention to the weather here in central Alabama, look at this foggy start in Gadsden this morning. We're going to be dealing with some patchy fog across central Alabama today. Temperatures are going to hold in the mid-70s as we kick off the morning. Mostly cloudy sky in most spots, but we'll see some slivers of sunshine at times now that the sun is rising. Satellite radar clear scan on our storm track radar this morning, so no rain to speak of today, or this morning I should say, but for the afternoon, that may be a bit of a different story. Notice the rain to our southwest. That will start tracking to the north. And we're also just dealing with a very soupy atmosphere. We've got lots of moisture in the atmosphere. We've got the heat of the day. Those two things combined, those will produce some afternoon showers and storms. Looking at temperatures across the board right now, low to mid 70s, 71 in Cleveland, 72 in Moody, with 74 in Birmingham. And as those kiddos head off to the bus stop this morning, I expect for those temperatures to hold in the mid-70s. Dry, so you won't need the umbrellas this morning, but do you remember yesterday at around 3 o'clock? Well, there came rain in some spots, so you may want to go ahead and just tuck that rain jacket into your kiddos' backpack this morning. They may need to have to put it to use tomorrow afternoon as they're dropped, or this afternoon as they're dropped off. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s. Close to 90, but it will feel more like the mid to upper 90s with all of that humidity in the atmosphere. So for this morning, other than some patchy fog, we're going to be dealing with a dry and quiet start, mid 70s through mid morning, upper 70s by 9 a.m. And then by the time we hit 11 o'clock, already in the mid 80s. With those increasing clouds throughout the afternoon, I expect we could see again, kind of that's what's keeping those temperatures in the 80s today is the cloud cover. But with all of that humidity in the air, it's going to feel much hotter. So don't let just the air temperature deceive you all too much. 2 p.m. a little boundary from Jasper to Fayette starts sliding through. It hits Birmingham Metro between about 3 to 4, then 4 to 5. We'll see that pushing closer to the I-20 corridor. I'll be tracking this batch of rain moving closer to Tuscaloosa between about 6 and 7 tonight, and that slides eastbound through Alabaster, Clinton, and Rockford by around 8 p.m. Good time to download our CBS 42 Storm Track weather app. You can actually track these storms right from the palm of your hand. It looks like rain's going to stay on tap in our forecast through the weekend.